Hey, hey! For the latest puzzle solutions, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver. Welcome back, friends. Today we get you a new series of puzzles. The series name is The Brain Teaser. Here you will get a sheet of pictures and have to find the hidden meaning of every box. So let's start. But before jumping to the answers of every box, let's pause this puzzle for 30 seconds and try to solve it together. And friends, don't forget to put your answers in the comment section below. Our time starts now. Three, two, one, stop! I hope you enjoyed solving this puzzle and got the right answers for all the boxes. Let's jump to the solution and check the first box. In the first picture, you can see man is written on board. The hidden meaning is man on board. The second picture here, you can see I is written understand. So the hidden meaning is I understand. The third meaning is, this is very obvious. You can see reading is written between the lines. So the hidden meaning is reading between the lines. This one is mind over matter. And in this picture you can see glance is written in backward direction. So the meaning is backward glance. This one is touchdown. Here life is written after death. So the meaning is life after death. This one is going on diet. Here you can see two levels. Level is written in two levels, so bi-level. Here three cycles are written, so tricycle is the meaning. Here banana is split, so the meaning is banana split. Here lazy is placed after noon, so the meaning is lazy afternoon. Here you can see two roads crossing each other, the meaning is crossing roads. This one is an incomplete word, that is incomplete pass. Here you can see BOX, and inside BOX we have JACK, that is Jack inside the box. Here there are two cross, that is double cross. This one is interesting. Here you can see X, three Q's and me. The meaning is excuse me. Here are two na fish. So the hidden meaning is tuna fish. This one is good. You can see a long time here and there is no C present in A, B, D, E, F. So the meaning is long time no see. This one is you are under arrest. Here you can see a big deal. This one is written eggs over here, but these are scrambled eggs. Here are two circles under eyes. So the meaning is circles under eyes. Here close is written but 4 times. The meaning is 4 close. And the last one is, here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 feet written underground. So the meaning is 6 feet underground. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and comment on this video. Also don't forget to subscribe and please share this video with your friends and family. You can also follow us on our Facebook and Instagram page, that is Puzzle Solver Video. Thanks again. Bye bye.